G'day guys and welcome back to Quick Maths. Today we're going to be talking about how to divide fractions and we're going to see if we can visualize it quite easily. So just as a little bit of a recap, we know that division really means how many times does this thing fit into a number. So if you've got 15 divided by 5, that's really saying how many times does 5 fit into 15? And the answer is obviously 3. So we're going to see here that I've got a circle that's put into quarters. So I've got 1/4 and I'm just going to highlight that 1/4 in pink. What I want to know is how many halves of the whole fit into this 1/4. So if I divide this by a half, I'm asking how many times does this half fit into a quarter? And as we can see from that shape is that we've got half of a half that fits in there. So the answer to this is just 1/2 because the shaded part takes up half of the entire blue thing that I put in there. We'll see another example, right? Just with these two switched around. So this time I've got my circle split in half. And again, I'm just going to highlight that so we can see it. So this question's asked me how many quarters are going to fit in there. So this is divided by a quarter. So we know that this 1/4 here will fit in, and then a second quarter here will fit in as well. So that's equal to 2, because 2 quarters fit into the 1/2 that we had to start off. Okay, again, the visualization should be helpful, but if it's not and you're just looking for a shortcut, there's an easy way to do it. Okay, we've talked about this idea before. We keep it, change it, flip it. Keep it means that whatever's written on the page, you keep there no matter what. Change it means you go from a division to a multiplication, and flip it means to legitimately flip the fraction on its head. Then it becomes a straightforward multiplication question. So for this one, we've got 3/5 because we've kept that, times by 7/4. The answer to this is 21/20, which does not have a simplified form. If you do want to write it as a mixed numeral, it's 1/20. Okay, so with that easy keep it, change it, flip it, you can turn it from quite a difficult division question into a pretty straightforward multiplication question. We'll just see one more example. So on this one, we've got 2/9 divided by a fifth. So 2/9 times 5/1 equals 10/9. Done. Again, that could be equal to 1/9, but that's all you've got to put in. Please remember that if you write down this next step of working, so if you show your teacher that you have kept it, changed it, flipped it, you will get a mark straight away because this shows that you recognize the relationship that division and multiplication have together. Okay, so just taking that extra second to rewrite out the question in a way that's easier for you to understand will definitely help you out in the long run. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you later. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.